In the bustling world of technology, there's always room for excitement when big names make bold moves. Samsung, a giant in the smartphone realm, has finally turned a corner with its latest release, the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, featuring a much-anticipated update, the support for seamless updates. For years, tech enthusiasts have watched in anticipation, waiting for Samsung to embrace this innovation widely adopted since 2016 by other manufacturers, thanks to Google's initial introduction. At last, that day has come, marking a significant step forward in user experience. Seamless updates have long been heralded for their ability to streamline the otherwise cumbersome process of updating a phone's operating system. The beauty lies in its simplicity. Updates are downloaded and installed on a secondary partition, allowing users to carry on with their tasks without interruption. It's saying goodbye to the days of waiting and hello to a seamless transition. Samsung's journey to this point has been deliberate. They tested the waters last year with the Galaxy A55, a move that piqued interest and hinted at the broader implementation that we see today. For Samsung enthusiasts, this is more than just a software feature. It's an evolution in user experience, a testament to Samsung's willingness to listen and adapt. As expected, the tech community is abuzz, engaging in spirited discussions about this overdue leap. Whether you're a proud owner of a Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the powerhouse S25 Ultra, the integration of seamless updates is set to enhance your daily interactions with your device. It's a quality-of-life improvement that goes beyond aesthetics and delves into functionality and ease of use. So, what does this mean for the future? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. In the ever-evolving landscape of innovation, Samsung has taken a step in the right direction, proving once again why they're a force to be reckoned with in the tech world.